Today we're gonna hike up to the Pattaya sign. I want to catch a bot bus. Oh, here it is. Okay, these are 10 baht. Oh, these buses run all the way along the beach, all the way down around. And then they only cost 10 baht. So I can just get through this heat. Essentially, I'll show you guys where to go, how to get there, and then where exactly to hike. It's actually officially Songkran, so today's the first day of Songkran, and that's the Thai New Year. Thankfully this year, because I carry all my camera equipment and my backpack, thankfully this year they've made it dry again, so it's kind of convenient. And we just got tons of people coming in here. Let's see if I can cross here. It's a little bit chaotic. I'm trying to get that way. This is where you catch the ferry to Koh Lan, right out there. And it's actually a holiday weekend, so it's a bit busier than normal. Excuse me. I'm gonna ask them how much the speedboat is. Just ask them how much. How much is the speedboat? Does it say 2,000 baht? The speedboat out to Koh Lan? 2,000 baht. One person, 2,000 baht. Okay, thank you. One person, 2,000 baht. That's like 50, 60 bucks. Speedboat, 2,000 baht? Yeah. One person. Yeah. Okay, thank you. How much is the speedboat? How much? 2,000 baht, one person? The speedboat? 2,000 baht, okay. Yeah, it looks like the going rate for the speedboat if you wanted to take one, and I think it's just one of these ones over here. It's 2,000 baht to go out to the island. Or, I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but there's big ferries. I think those are much cheaper. Alright, I gotta find something to drink before I go. Okay, I'm gonna run inside. There's a 7 right here. I'm just gonna run inside here and go grab some water. Let's go. So that's where we're going. There we go. Oh, it's a gorgeous day out today. Today's the perfect day for a hike. It's a bit hot, but all right, so that's where we're headed, right up there. You can see, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera now, but there's actually a platform. Sightsee and go right up next to the sign, and there's a trailhead right down over here, and we can take the stairs all the way up. This place is like a true paradise, really. I would highly encourage anyone thinking of coming to Thailand to definitely come visit Pattaya. All right, so that's where we're headed, right up there. Okay, so here we are. We're at the trailhead. So this is where, if you want to hike up to the Pattaya sign, this is what the trailhead looks like. Okay, so let's get going. Oh, it is hot. Whew. Absolutely essential to bring water. Don't even think about trying this hike without bringing some water. And look along here. We have all these cactus. Should I say cacti? Oh my goodness. Look at this view. I'm not sure the name of these, but these are absolutely gorgeous, these flowers. Wow. Okay. Thankfully, they have somewhere you can just have a seat. Oh, yeah, let's just sit down for a moment. All right, let's get going. Okay. So back that way were all the steps that we came up, and then we just walked along here. There used to be a way to go up here and then go through, but I think that area is closed now. So it feels nice to go downhill a little bit. So now we go through this way, and you can see this is the bay that we just walked past all the way down there. I guess there's another way up here. If you go down this way, there might be another entrance leading up here. But yeah, you can see the pier and the bay, and that's where the speedboats go through all the way out to Koh Lan. All right, so there's some more stairs here. Yeah, so we can see another lookout point here. This is kind of amazing. Let me get some that's where all the ferry boats leave from, going out to Koh Lan. You can see one going right there. But yeah, this is all the speedboats right over there. These are the big ferries. I'd like to find out how much those cost. Oh, this town is amazing. Truly. Okay, and I think there's just one more set of stairs, and then you're finally up at the sign. So I think the final set of stairs is coming up right here. I also wanted to talk about one thing, which was getting to Thailand right now. Most of the restrictions have been eased a bit, so it's actually a lot easier to come here. So if anyone wants to come visit Thailand, be sure not to miss Pattaya. If you do this hike, do not forget to bring water with you. All right, I think we're at the entrance to go down to the sign. But I just wanted to film this right here fast. This thing's kind of interesting. Oh, look at this guy. Okay, now we're at the sign. So let's have a look, see? Okay, we made it. So here's my thoughts. It's definitely worth the hike. It's a bit hot. Be sure to bring some water with you if you're gonna make the hike up here. But it's a fun day trip, you know, something to do. It might take you an hour to get up here, but if you're in Pattaya and you want to have an amazing view, so just have a look at that. Yeah, it's definitely worth the journey up here. It's not too bad. Just make sure to stop along the way, you know. There's places to stop and sit down, you know, and cool off, drink some water. But yeah, absolutely amazing. This place is like paradise, really. So yeah, come check this out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.